Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. I am Priya and today we are going to share a vegetable dalia upma recipe which is a filling and nutritious recipe and can be given as a breakfast, lunch or dinner. So here we have the wheat dalia or broken wheat as we call it. I have ghee here about 1 teaspoon. Dalia is about 2 tablespoons. We have 1 teaspoon chopped onion, tomatoes, 2 tablespoon carrots and 2 tablespoon finely chopped cauliflower. You can use any other vegetables that you have at hand. The seasonings have salt, jeera, haldi and some cumin seed powder. And we have water as we will need. So for this I'm going to heat a pan and first we need to roast this broken wheat or dalia. This is going to be dry roasted. You don't need to put any oil or ghee here. So just keep stirring it and we will roast it for a few minutes till it turns golden brown. So make sure that you keep stirring it occasionally because you don't want it to get burnt. Now see the color has changed. It has been roasting nicely. So we'll take it out and let it cool on a separate plate. So, now in the same pan, I'm going to put some ghee. Once the ghee melts, now I will add the cumin seeds. I will put all the quantities in the description box so you can check it out there. Once the jeera crackles, I'm adding my finely chopped onions. Keep sauteing it for a while. Once it turns transparent, we will add the tomatoes. Since the quantity is very less, it won't take much time. So now my finely chopped tomatoes have gone in. Again, stir it with a spatula and let it cook for a few seconds. In about a minute, you can see that it looks a little softer. So I will add my vegetables. Here I have used cauliflower and carrots. But you can also add, so both the vegetables have gone in. You can also put beans or peas or any other vegetable that your child likes. Just ensure that you chop it fine so that it cooks quickly. And this is for smaller kids, so you don't want big chunks of vegetables in their mouth. So now just keep stirring and let it get cooked for a few minutes. Once it is soft, it has been a couple of minutes, so I'm adding the salt, turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, and I'll add all the spices with the vegetables. And finally, we added the roasted dalia. So mix everything well together. And now we add enough water for it to cook. Once this comes to a boil, we will turn the heat down and let it simmer till it gets cooked nicely. So now I'm going to turn the heat down and cover it and let it cook for a few minutes till I am happy that it has been cooked nicely. The vegetable should turn soft and the dalia should have cooked well. It will take anywhere between 4 to 5 minutes. So here it is. All we have to do is wait for some time now and keep checking in between. So after about 3 minutes, I'm checking. See, the water is still there, but it looks nicely cooked. So we will wait for it to dry up a little. So here the dalia upma is ready. It's a very, very nutritious recipe. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel. We will see you again very, very soon. Bye bye.